$53,000 cruise and cash giveaways at Gold Town Casino. Fridays from 6 to 9 p.m. win $200 every half hour. Saturday from 6 to 8:30 p.m. get another chance to win $200 every half hour. One lucky cruise winner will be chosen at 9 p.m. Listen up, Gold Town. Football Super Sunday is February 3rd. Join us at the Nugget Event Center. Limited seating is available, so buy your tickets now through February 2nd, $25 per person. Play and dine. Points for food is back. Every 300 points equals $1 at the Calico Cafe and Buffet, so check out their January food specials, all at the Gold Town Casino.
At Healthcare Partners Medical Group, our mission is to provide the highest quality of healthcare to each and every patient. With 5 locations in Pahrump, we are local doctors you know and trust. We want to thank you for choosing us. Quality care starts here.
Welcome back to News 46 Week in Review. The people who need to go to the gym the most are no longer covered by Humana. That is what the caption reads on the letter sent to KPVM TV. News 46 received a letter from John and Marie Prey asking for our help in what they are calling unfair treatment by their medical insurance company, Humana.
KPVM News 46 has received a letter from John and Marie Prey. They're both residents here of Pahrump and both clients of Humana and First Move Fitness. We spoke to John and Marie about this letter, which is quite disturbing. It tells us that Humana has cut off their fitness membership to First Move Fitness, which is a courtesy that Humana and Senior Dimensions has made available to their clients in order to cut down on medical costs and keep them healthy. They've decided to pay for our fitness memberships at local gyms. First Move Fitness is the gym of choice for these medical insurance companies, and they get a free membership to go to this gym. Humana has decided that they would cut off the membership for the special needs group. That is people who are usually suffering from cancer. In particular, John and Marie Prey are suffering from COPD. They're very upset about this. We spoke to Ginger Tyra there at First Move Fitness, who says that First Move Fitness is equally as upset about this, that they just heard about it at the last minute and offered the customers a discount for their gym membership from $40 per month to $25 per month. Ginger also told us that some of the members want to keep going to the gym because it's the only way that they can stay healthy. In fact, she added that one of the customers there has decided that she will be using the food bank now in order to have money enough to pay for her gym membership. John and Marie Prey didn't want to go on camera. They just said that they're very upset about that. They also added some other paperwork included into this package, which shows an increase in some prescription drug medications with Humana, actually showing receipts from 10/30 of 2012 paying just $38 for their prescription medication to 11/29 paying $106 for their medication, and then 12/29 $128.21 for the same medication. They're calling it price gouging. We'll keep you posted on this. This is Deanne O'Donnell for News 46.
Sandy Holderman from Humana has sent a response stating, as part of Humana's commitment to support its Medicare members in their lifelong pursuit of health and well-being, most Humana Medicare Advantage members enjoy access to programs that encourage healthy behaviors, such as gym memberships through the Silver and Fit Fitness program. Humana offers 3 different health plans to Medicare beneficiaries in Nye County, including 1 Medicare Advantage Health Maintenance Organization plan and 2 Medicare Advantage Special Needs Plans, the HMO-SNP. The HMO plan offers the Silver and Fitness program at no cost to our members during the 2013 planned year. Humana believes we have an obligation to offer our members a total health care benefits package, including medical care and prescription drug coverage at an affordable cost. When weighing benefits, we must consider the needs of our members, cost of the benefit, and utilization of the benefit by our members. While the key benefit for most Humana members in Nye County remains a 0 monthly premium, we feel an expanded transportation benefit will be welcomed by members. Members on the HMO-SNP plans will pay $0 for 24 one-way trips to plan-approved locations for access to covered medical care as requested by their primary care physician. Members on the HMO plan pay $0 for 8 one-way trips.
Valley Electric Association has installed vital new transmission lines from the north into Pahrump. These lines are redundancy lines that are essential for power outages. They also contain fiber optics for commercial use and serve many other functions.
that is the fourth and final phase to a project that we started over 15 years ago. It's been a long journey, but Valley Electric has grown over the years, and as we've grown, we've needed additional transmission capacity. Prior to the completion of this final segment of our transmission line, 8 months out of the year, we did not meet an N-1 contingency. What that meant is, or what that means is that if we would ever lose one of our transmission lines, 8 months out of the year, our 138 kV transmission line would not carry our system. And so we needed redundancy in order to provide that, the reliability that our members require. So we recognized that 15 years ago. We started down this path, and it's just a long path to get the regulatory approvals, but for the expansion of our transmission system. So this particular segment started at Pahrump Substation, went to Johnny, from Johnny to the Northwest Substation interconnection with NV Energy, and the last phase was the section that you've alluded to that's up by the fan. So that's going to give us additional capacities and capabilities in the future, and redundancy and reliability.
So this might actually help expand as well?
Oh, exactly. Is that the better that our critical infrastructure is in the community, whether it be electricity, communication, sewer, and water, then the better your community is in being able to expand, not only from, you know, a residential standpoint, but from a commercial and an industrial standpoint also.
Today, just having a helicopter up there, you know, hanging the lines and the men up there, when will it be completed?
The line was actually completed from a major standpoint at the end of the year. It was energized January 2nd. There's still some button-down work that they're doing on that project, but in all practical purposes, the majority of that line is complete and it is energized.
Do you know how much the whole cost of this was?
It's approximately $80 million. So a project that started 15 years ago and was estimated at $20 million turned out to be an $80 million project, and that's just due to the difference in the cost of doing business then to today. You mentioned the helicopter. That was done for a couple different reasons. Number one is speed and efficiencies of being able to get those facilities in the air and going. But the other one was the environmental aspect. The environmental cost for us, Valley Electric, on that project was about $400,000 a month. And that's for tortoise mitigation and habitat restoration, and then all the things that go along with that.
Did Valley Electric also get some funding help with this project?
No, we did not. No. And that's why it was important for Valley Electric to also look at getting into the California ISO, is because these facilities are very expensive.
Several veterans presented to the Pahrump Nugget 2 awards for the Veterans Day event held in December in honor of the Vietnam Veterans Anniversary.
My name is Jose Tellez, and I'm here at the Nugget. We're here to present the Nugget and the management a little thank you for the help that they done when we had our ceremony in the 50th anniversary of the Vietnam War, and helping us welcome home our Vietnam veterans. And they really hit home at the time, because it was the first time since I've been back from Vietnam, which I spent 26 months in combat, that I had that actually somebody said thank you. So it was really neat. Make my day, make my Christmas, and it's going to make my New Year's. And at this time, would you like to say something?
Mr. Chairman. Jose, we'd like to thank you gentlemen for the great event we did have on Veterans Day. And I didn't, you know, as I just said, I didn't realize how unwelcome it was when you came home. So, you know, from us to you, you know, welcome home, and we thank you for your service. It's our pleasure and our honor to give back all that we can.
Thank you, sir.
You know, I'm just a old Army brat, and my dad served 2 terms in Nam, and you know, spent my time as a child overseas, and so living on base and seeing the way that our service personnel interact with each other, and many people don't know what the welcome wagon is, but I sure do. You know, But we just want to say thank you, man, and we're just so happy that you guys are here, and thank you so much for the freedoms that we have on every day. And you know, we're out here today because of you. It's just that simple. And just want to say thank you for that.
I would like to present this to the Nugget, and it says here, "Thank you, Pahrump Nugget staff and employees, for the welcome home ceremony held November the 11th, 2012. I would like to present something to a young lady that was awesome. Her and I worked together day after day, month after month, till we got it all together. And of course, I did most of the work. But anyway, I want to thank you very much. Liz Corey, I want to thank you very much. And I want to give you a little token of appreciation. And thank you. So anyway, I want to thank everybody. And again, I want to thank the Nugget management and everything. Thank you very much.
Former Nye County Commissioner Joni Easley was approved for the position of Assistant Nye County Manager under Pam Webster. Easley was voted in by a 3-2 vote. Commissioner and now sitting Chairman Butch Boraski and new Commissioner Donna Cox gave the thumbs down for Easley to take the position.
Millions of Americans still receiving paper checks for Social Security and other federal benefits have less than 2 months to switch to electronic payments. In an effort to cut spending, federal officials began retiring paper checks in favor of direct deposits and prepaid Direct Express debit cards in May of 2011. Since then, the Treasury Department has required all new recipients of payments from federal benefits programs, including Social Security, Supplemental Security, Income Disability, Veterans Affairs, and government pension plans, to sign up for electronic payments. It set a March 1, 2013 deadline for all other recipients to do the same. Roughly 93% of payments are now being made electronically, but about 5 million checks are still mailed each month, representing an additional $4.6 million in monthly costs, since each mailed check costs 92 cents more than a direct deposit transfer. The agency said if it didn't push for the switch to electronic transfers, it would cost taxpayers another $1 billion over the next 10 years. So now, the agency is urging remaining check recipients to beat the March 1st deadline. Check recipients can sign up for direct deposit or the Direct Express card by calling toll-free 1-800-333-1795, or by visiting godirect.org, or by talking to their local federal paying agency office. The process is fast, easy, and it's free.
And according to recent reports from the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, this year's flu season began early and activity continues to be increasing nationally. The Nevada State Health Division reports 22 confirmed cases of influenza since the season began. The number of confirmed cases in Nevada is up 57% from only 2 weeks ago, and numbers continue to rise. Right now, influenza A, H3N2 viruses are predominant. Typically, H3N2 seasons are more severe with higher numbers of hospitalizations and deaths. However, it's too early to say which influenza virus will dominate this season or how severe the season will be. The CDC strongly urges everyone who has yet to be vaccinated against the flu to get your flu shot. This year's vaccine is a good match to the influenza viruses that currently are circulating. It can take up to 2 weeks for the vaccine to become effective, and getting vaccinated is your best protection. Another protection against the flu is regular hand washing, but hand washing can only do so much. You had your flu shot, right?
Yes, I got my flu shot this
We
year.
all had our flu shot at the Desert View Hospital.
At that clinic.
Yeah, exactly. With James Oscarson out there.
You know what? I haven't got sick.
Really, I've
been
got
doing
sick
good.
twice. But who knows? It's not a match. Maybe.
No,
I'm
maybe
sure.
not. And folks, we'll be right back after this.